Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Sentiment Assortment Merry Christmas stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it comes with 14 different Merry Christmas sentiments. I'm going to stamp them out so you can see what the sentiments look like. As you can see, they stamp out really nice. You have one sentiment you could color in. I just love the cursive ones. And you have many different styles to fit every type of card. Here's a card I made using the Sentiment Assortment Merry Christmas stamp set. And I paired it up with the Tartan paper pack and the Decorate a Tree die, the Slimline embossing folder, and the Slimline birthday scallop die. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.